Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine in a healthy condition and taking good care of yourself. Please, children, stay home, stay safe. If you have to play, then play indoor games. Do not move out of your house and just take proper care of hygiene. And whatever you have to do, just be at home, do it. Take care of yourself and your family, okay? Now, after a long time, again, we are starting with the classes. Last class we completed this chapter. You can see food, our basic need, that is chapter number 1. So, last month we completed this chapter and we discussed about various topics like what are nutrients, substances which are needed for energy, by the body for energy, good health and proper growth. They are called nutrients. And we also discussed about the 5 main nutrients which our body need. That is carbohydrate, which is also called energy giving foods. Then proteins, which is also called body building food. Fats which provides more energy than carbohydrates. Vitamins and minerals, which are also called protective foods, and different vitamins we discussed, and also the minerals and their uses. Then we also discussed about roughage and water, the importance of roughage in our body. What is roughage? It is also called dietary fiber, and it is the part of the plant which cannot be digested. So this cannot be digested by our body. This is called roughage or dietary fiber. And of course, water, which is an important part of our diet and which is needed for many functions in our body. And then about the balanced diet, that is the diet which contains all the nutrients in right amount, dietary fiber and water. This diet is called balanced diet. This also we discussed in the chapter. And we also discussed about how to preserve food, that is to protect food from getting spoiled, and the 5 different ways, that is drying, pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing, canning and bottling. These were the 5 different ways we discussed, which are the very common ways by which we can preserve food. And then the last topic of the chapter, which was rest, posture and exercise, which are equally important to remain healthy. So, all this we discussed in the chapter, and we completed the chapter, children, last month. And then we were about to discuss the exercises, but due to unavoidable circumstances, we were not able to take the class. So now, children, after this, now let's move on without wasting any time. I want everyone to open page number 17 in your book, and let's do the exercise. I'll click the photo also and send you in the PDF form. But still I want you all to just see. See, I have done the exercises for you all. Page number 17. Fill in the blanks. First one, we need food to dash. So, see, in all the blanks, 2 options are given. So, option number 2, that is grow and stay healthy and strong. This is the correct option. First one. Then the second one, dash, give us energy to do work, nutrients. Then the third one, young children need more dash food than adults because they are still growing. So this is protein rich food. Okay, if you remember, we discussed all this during the class. Then the fourth one, dash improves eyesight and keeps our skin healthy. This is vitamin A. Fifth is dash helps in the formation of blood. So iron. Fifth is iron. Sixth is our body needs dash for all its functions. That is water. And then the 7th last one, dash refers to body position. That is posture. Okay. So first one, I am repeating the answers. First is grow and stay healthy and strong. Second is nutrients. Third is protein rich. Fourth, vitamin A. Fifth, iron. Sixth, water. And 7th is posture. Now let's come to the next exercise, which is choose the correct option. As you can see, there are 4 options given for each question. So only one is correct. So you just have to put a tick on that. So first one, nutrients help us in. Now A, B, C and D, out of these A, B, C, all the three are correct. So yeah, the correct answer is all of these. Okay, that is option D, all of these. Then the second one, which of these do young children need more than adults? Option B, that is proteins. This is the correct answer. Then the third one, which of these contain more energy than carbohydrates? Fats. Option A is the correct answer. Fourth, which of these vitamins help in improving the eyesight? Option A, vitamin A. Then the fifth one, which of these would help in the formation of blood? Option B, iron-rich foods. Then the next sixth one, which of these would be needed for stronger teeth and bones? Option C, calcium. And the seventh one, which of these would you use to preserve grapes as raisins? Option A, drying. And the eighth one, which of these can be preserved by pickling? All of these. That is option D. Okay. So please children, mark your answers properly and keep on marking while I am while watching this video. Just keep on marking your answers. Okay. So this much for today. Page number 17. Just do these exercises properly. Prepare them. Just keep on learning them. In our next class, we will be doing page number 18. Alright. Now take good care of yourself. Thank you children. Bye-bye.